Hi, everyone. So our paper is motivated by A/B testing in industry. So A/B testing has been adopted by the industry to get product development. And here are the examples where you have two options, and then you do randomized experiments to detect whether there's a better version. However, in industry, usually we have these sequential allocation where you increasingly allocate more users to the new treatment group. And then we see something like this, where like you have higher allocations, but you have this decreasing means. So we may wonder what is the reason behind this, and one reason is probably because of the interference we have. And then our project is based on detecting the interference in the sequential allocation scheme. And we need a formal statistical way to decide whether interference exists. So here's a chart for illustrating our contribution. Here is just a filter on top of the sequential A/B testing, and just send once you decide whether there's interference, you can send them to different platforms. And we develop methods that test for the null hypothesis that there's no cross-unit interference. And we basically consider two types of permutation tests. One is doing general assumptions where we permute vertically, and the other is using horizontal permutation where we assume there's time fixed effect assumption. And this is the result for some experiments at industry application.